Hello and welcome to the new ILMEA Nomination Platform. You can get to this login page by going to ilmea.org and selecting the Nominate button in the upper right-hand corner. This brief tutorial will be part of a series that will help you navigate the new program. Today, in this part of the video, we'll talk about registration, login, and your account in the new platform. Since this is a new program, you'll have to complete a one-time only registration. The computer system will remember your information after you complete this process. Should you forget your password, you can even click here. It will remember it and send it to you. Let's go ahead and get started. By selecting the footer that says Get Started here, you can enter your own information, set your password, and use these checkboxes to let the system know the types of emails for information in these content areas for which you would like to receive. Select your district, and when you do, choosing the school drop-down, you will see populated with ISB data all of the schools located in your district. If you don't see your school, please email your district president, or if you know that you are at a home school or at a new school, you can select this link here that will take you to a page that will allow you to enter that new school information. Once you're ready, hit the Register button. It will let the district president know that you are ready for school approval and will also send you a link in your email that will ask you to verify your address by selecting the link in that email. Once you've completed that, you're ready to go, and you can log in. You'll be taken to your dashboard. What you don't see here is the participating school prompt. You can't do anything in the program without completing your participating school registration. That will be the first thing you see, but for the sake of the tutorial today, you'll see we've already completed that part of the process. You'll find at the bottom, Billing, My Account, and your Logout button. For this part of the tutorial, we're just going to take a tour of the My Account button. Here you'll see that same information that you used when you created your account and logged in, but you'll see a button to the bottom that will also let you add a school to your account. A big change to the program is we're looking to make it to be easier for you to use. So by adding the school to your account, you can connect all of the schools where you teach under the same login. Once you complete this part of the process, it will be tied to your educator account here at the top, and you can use this drop-down to toggle back and forth easily between all the schools where you teach. That concludes this part of the tutorial. When you're looking to exit the system, you just hit Log Out. Thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy using the new program.